Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out another review. Tonight I'm going to bring you a different one from Pedro over at Black Rebel Beard Company. Tonight we're going to go over one of his fall scents, brand new. I think you're going to want to stick around and listen to this. I'm sure there's 36 more reviews other than this one, so I'll see you after the intro. Welcome back everybody. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Like I said before the intro, Pedro over at Black Rebel Beard Company has done it again. He's come out with his fall scent named Beetlejuice, and it's caused quite the hype. I was fortunate enough to get one before pre-order started. Pre-order started the 17th. Of course, you're going to be probably watching this after the 17th. Orders will start shipping out October 1st. Of course, Black Rebel Beard Company, there's always going to be free shipping. And of course, it's going to be cheaper if you get the subscription other than just the oil. The scent for this is called Beetlejuice. And what Pedro describes as cemetery dirt, rotten apples, beetle guts, and cat poo. It's kind of, he kind of threw subtle hints of stuff that reflects on the movie Beetlejuice. If you haven't seen it, of course, you need to see that movie in order to understand. But he sent this to me, I used it, and I gotta say, it's absolutely amazing, as usual with any Black Rebel Beard Company product, with that being the emu oil as well. You order, we gotta go over the stickers. The stickers Pedro comes up with is always pretty freaking sweet. The little Black Rebel. I don't even like to stick these on anything because I want to keep them because you know what I mean. They're so awesome looking. And of course, the card for the scent, and on the back, and the scent. This is probably the coolest label I've seen ever. If you guys have never seen Beetlejuice, then obviously you don't know what this is, and obviously you have definitely been underneath a rock. The scent profile of this, right off the bottle open, you get that fall scent, that cologne type vibe scent, that famous Pedro scent. You get cinnamon. I think there's even a little bit of apples in there. It's like a trick or treat. Is it a trick or is it a treat? You get the spice. You get the sweet. It's a very complex fall scent. It's probably the best Pedro's ever come out with, in my opinion. It's just an amazing scent. You can smell the spices right off the rip. I asked my daughter what she smelled in it. She said she smelled the cinnamon, of course. She smelled a little bit of oak in there, a little bit of apple. So what's really in it, nobody knows but Pedro. But I can tell you, this is an amazing scent. It's an amazing fall scent. And do yourself a favor, if you haven't seen Beetlejuice, go watch it. Go watch it. With all that said, pre-order started the 17th. Shipping will start October 1st. Free shipping, of course. Guys, get on this fall scent. It's a really awesome scent that Pedro has come up with once again. Of course, if you guys have beards and you know Black Rebel, you know Pedro and his scent complexity of all his scents. Usually ends up being a pretty awesome scent, and like I said, and the Beetlejuice is nothing short of an awesome scent again from Pedro. So once again, Beetlejuice. This is Pedro's fall scent, Black Rebel Beard. Look at that emu goodness right there. Everything will be in the description box below, guys. I want to send a thank you to Pedro for sending this out. I really appreciate it. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me tonight. I appreciate all the support. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And until the next video, guys, peace. Guys, thanks for sticking around. If you're still here, I appreciate all the support. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button.